Imagine scrolling through your feed, and instead of just following your favorite creators, you're suddenly seeing how everyday people are investing their money. That's exactly what public.com promises in 2025, a mix of commission-free stock trading, crypto investing, and a full-blown social network where finance meets community. But here's the real question. Does that make it safe and smart, or is it just hype dressed up as innovation? At its core, public.com is designed to strip away the intimidation factor of investing. You can buy fractional shares with as little as a few dollars, follow experienced investors, and even peek at their portfolios to learn strategies. The social aspect is its biggest hook. It feels more like scrolling Instagram than using a traditional brokerage. And for beginners, that ease is huge. But what about the pros? First off, the zero commission structure still stands, making it affordable to start trading. Then there's the community-driven learning. Public isn't just about trading, it's about building confidence through discussion and transparency. Add to that its expanding access to assets, from stocks and ETFs to crypto, and it feels like a one-stop investing hub. Now, the cons. Public doesn't offer the advanced charting and analytics that serious traders demand. Options trading is still limited, which cuts out a big portion of active investors. And while the social element is exciting, it can also become noisy. Following the wrong voices could push beginners into emotional decisions rather than smart ones. Plus, compared to traditional brokers, Public's research tools are basic, and long-term portfolio management isn't as robust as platforms like Fidelity or Vanguard. The results? If you're a beginner or intermediate investor, Public.com feels fresh, engaging, and a lot less intimidating than old-school brokers. It gets you started quickly, keeps you motivated through community, and lowers the barrier with fractional shares. But if you're a veteran trader looking for complex strategies and data-heavy analysis, this probably won't replace your main platform. So, is it worth it in 2025? For someone just stepping into investing, absolutely, it's safe, user-friendly, and makes finance social in a way no other platform has pulled off. For experts, though, it might be better as a secondary app rather than your main investing hub. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think social investing makes people smarter with money, or does it just add more noise to the market? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious where you stand. And if this breakdown helped you out, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more honest reviews like this.